Right, I'm decided to do this set, which I've had since starting to play Lego Fortnite last year. It is still available, which is surprising, but it is. Comes with 11 minifigures. There's 346 pieces, and it's set number 40516, which is called Everyone is Awesome. In the game, if you see a rainbow, you will find on top of a cloud, you will see this actual set basically on the cloud. And if you get up the top, go to the cloud and dance with them or do an emote of any description, they will then give you a load of stuff which will drop to the ground and you go and get it, blah, 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 and then they disappear. So I thought it was quite awesome. And it's been sitting here doing nothing, and I thought, well, actually, yeah, let's do something a little bit different. I've also got some couple of Mario things I'd like to build as well. But yeah, this one, the description, there's not really much of a description, to be honest, but they're $35 currently. Everyone is awesome. Celebrate the power of playing together with this colourful new set. Let's dream, play and build together. The new Lego Everyone is Awesome set celebrates positivity and kindness in our families, our communities and our world. The guy who designed it has said, discover why I designed Everyone is Awesome. Discover the inspiration behind the vibrant blah blah blah. His name was Matthew Ashton. So there is some information about that on the website, on Lego's website. Find out how supporting inclusivity helps the Lego group achieve its mission to inspire the builders of tomorrow. Show us your heart. Get easy instructions to build a heart using bricks you have at home. So that might be something we could do at a later stage, maybe. Anyway, so that's it. That's really all it's got, and a ton of pictures. So I thought, why not build it? Because it's a very colourful set, and something I wouldn't mind having on display. So anyway, here's the instructions, which don't appear to be much. For the price, quite expensive really, I suppose, but it's information about the designer, and there he is, why he built it, all that sort of thing, and then it goes straight into building. So we will do this. There's no 3D instructions, and there's no numbers on the bags, just PDF. So this is going to be interesting. Okay, so there's our big white pieces. Okay, I've downloaded the PDF already, and I suppose I will just have to decide which bags to open at which stage. So this is going to be an interesting one. Let's have a look at the instructions. Where are we? There we go. Let's grab him over here, put him full screen. Nice, nice, nice. Right, so so it's just giving the minifigures. Okay, here we go. So we want one of these, and I don't know how I'm going to do this. It's going to be interesting. And one of these. Okay, so I'm going to start the speed build, which might not be so speedy, but we will start. Hold on a second. Don't forget, like the video, subscribe, comment. Did you buy this set? Would you buy this set? It's still available maybe in your country. So I'll see you in a bit in the not so speedy speed build. Wow, that has to be the fastest build I've ever done. And it looks very cool. So as a display piece, I like it, likey. Maybe the next thing I could do is do Everyone is Awesome using my dot set with possibly, there they are, my extra letter set. I've got 2 each of these, and I intend to do Lego something here and games or something over there. That's the intention, but maybe I could do something for this Everyone is Awesome and have it here. That might be cool. But anyway, yeah, I mean, yeah, you didn't need instructions really. Once it showed you the first steps, you could near enough do it all on the own, all the way up to here. It's just repeating, but I really enjoyed that because that was a nice quick build and colourful, and what more can I say? Is it worth the money? Probably not, but it's something unusual, something unique. I mean, I'll give you a 360 and that's it. Underneath is just this. I mean, it's very sturdy, so that's cool. I kind of like it. I should have it floating on a cloud and a rainbow going over it, just like the game. But there you go, set and done. That must be the fastest ever review and build that I've ever done. I'm gonna check, but I'm sure it is. Perfect. Smash the like button, comment, subscribe. Go buy this if you want it, because it's awesome and everyone is awesome. See you later. Have a good day.